Hi, I'm Tracy Gravelet with LSU School of Nursing. I'm the Director of the Office of Student Affairs, and we're going to review how to complete an application for the nursing school. We do use an online application through NursingCAS, and as you see, your first step would be to log into nursingcas.org, hit Apply Now. Once there, you do have to choose the semester that you hope to attend. But before you do that, we are in cycle 2020-2021 in NursingCAS. That's the only cycle that's open right now. And if you need additional help, you can go to NursingCAS Help System. I'm going to choose Spring 2022. Apply now. You do have to log in. If you do not have a login, you have to create an account. So once you log in, you'll see the actual application. Before you can get started though, you need to add a program. And to search program, I'm just going to search by our state. So you'll get a list of LSU Health New Orleans School of Nursing, and it lists all of our programs, and you select the program that you would like, or programs if you want to read more about them. And once you select the programs, I've selected all of our programs, as you can see by the green check mark. Then you go back to my application and you see the 4 panels here: personal information, academic history, supporting information, and program material. I suggest you go to program material first. And to read more about the program or programs that you selected, you just choose that. And you're going to see a home page, which should tell you more about the program. We have our admission criteria on each of our home pages, and we also have the link to our LSU Health New Orleans School of Nursing programs page. I suggest you go there so you can see more information about the application process and admission criteria. But at the bottom of each home page is the application deadline, so you're aware of that. Each program has their own questions, so you need to answer all the questions. If you have selected more than one, please don't forget to go into that program and answer those questions. If the program requires documents, then you hit Documents, and they're going to list it right here. As you can see, let me hop down to MSN Nurse Educator. As you can see, here's the home page. There's the deadlines. Questions for MSN Nurse Educator. Any documents. They do not require documents to be uploaded. However, if you did want to upload some documents, you do have the ability to do that here. If they did require documents, it would be listed under this. This program actually requires 3 references, and it's going to be listed right here under references. If the program does not require references, you're not going to see this folder here. So this is where you're going to upload the information for the 3 references that you're going to use. Hopefully you've contacted them and let them know this is coming. So you fill out their information, their email, the due date, and a personal message from you. And then once you complete that, you hit save, and then once you're done with the 3 references, then you may move on. So let's go back to my application. So now we are going to go to personal information. As you can see, release statement, basic information. Please input your middle name, alternate name. If a transcript's under another name, we need to know that here. Contact information, citizenship, family information, race and ethnicity, and other information. Please keep in mind that all this information in your NursingCAS application is going to be uploaded into our system. So race, ethnicity, social security, all that information is needed for our information. So once you finish that panel, when you do complete each panel, you should have a green circle. And know this, you can jump from one panel to another. Just all 4 have to be green for you to be able to submit your application. Then the academic history, really we're more worried about the colleges you attended. You have to list all colleges you attended, and even if you had one class that you took there, you must list it. Once you input it, I've inputted 3 colleges, and by the way, LSU Baton Rouge and LSU A&M College are the same. So you can choose one or the other. We know that it's LSU Baton Rouge. And then to the right here, transcripts are required. If you scroll down, you're going to see what transcripts need to be sent to NursingCAS and what transcripts do not need to be sent to NursingCAS. As you can see, only one of our programs, RN to BSN, the transcripts can be sent straight to the school. All other programs do need to be sent to NursingCAS. So to make sure they get to NursingCAS, I'm going to use Delgado. You hit this order button. So if the college or university uses one of these 3 companies to process their transcripts, then you may send to NursingCAS electronically the transcript. That's the quickest way for NursingCAS to receive it. And then you follow those directions. If not, if they do not electronically send transcripts from these 3 companies, then you do have to do option 2, which you choose option 2 and you download the ID transcript. This is preset with your name, with your information in there. The alternate name is that information that you put in earlier. You will give this form after you print it out to the college or university, and they will send in your official transcript along with this cover sheet. And once NursingCAS receives, they will upload it in your application. So once you've inputted all the colleges you attended, then the transcript entry. Now, before you start entering transcript information, scroll down and you see the program requirements. These are the programs that need full transcript entry. So you have to put all the coursework you've ever taken at the colleges in. These are the transcripts you need to just put the prerequisite only courses in. And then these are the programs that you do not need to put any information in. You do not have to fill out this section. So please pay attention to that. If you decide you've chosen a program that you do need to enter some sort of coursework, then you select the college. Now I put here that I started LSU Baton Rouge in August of 2020, spring of fall of 2020, but I'm still attending. So I want to add, and I want to put spring 2020, and I'm going to say that I was a freshman or whatever you were, and I completed it. It's on my transcript, the grade. So I'm going to add the course, and I'm going to put English 101 or whatever the course is, and actually spell it out, English 1, and I'm going to put or select English and the hours. It was a 3 credit hour. Some colleges offer 3.25, 3.5 credit hours, or if it's just a 3.0 and then the grade, you can put whatever grade you got. And then to add another course, so I'm going to save that. But I also want to add a semester. So I've listed all my spring 2020. I want to put Now I want to work on fall 2020. And by this time, I'm going to say I was a sophomore and I completed it, added a course, and English 202. So if you receive past credit for any of the courses, I'm going to roll down right here. If you English, again, that was a 3 credit hour and I received a B, or you know what, I received credit for it. So you can do past credit either way. That's how you do that. Sorry. And you save. So you can see here, spring 2020, you should see all your coursework. Fall 2020, you should see all your coursework. Like I said, if you receive past credit for anything, you can just put PC for the credit. Also, you notice too, in progress too. If you're in progress, that's a choice there. And obviously you don't have to put the grade. And then the standardized tests. You can self-report here, but we do need the official transcripts if they're required. So I'm going to go back to my application. So if you finish with that, you should have a green circle. And then the last panel is the supporting information. You have achievement, you have experiences, and licensure and certifications. This is where you would upload and answer any of these questions as well. So once you complete your application, you should see 4 green rings and you're able to submit. So you hit submit application and you process. So NursingCAS has a fee for you to process your application through them. Once you submit, LSU Health New Orleans Office of Student Affairs will reach out to, because we as well have a supplemental application fee that we are requesting. So look for that email after you submit. So I hope this has been helpful. I do want to leave you with how to get in contact with us. If you go to LSU Health New Orleans, so lsuhsc.edu, and you click on nursing, the academic programs are listed here. Here's a listing of all of our programs. And if you click on any of the pages, you will see contact information for the program directors. I'm going to do an undergraduate here. If you need to get in touch with the Office of Student Affairs, you can go to Administration, Office of Student Affairs, and here's our information here. Okay, so you may email us with any questions. We're happy to help you, and good luck in the process, and we will work with you later. Thank you.